Do you have a topic that you're passionate about that you want to share with others? Or do you find yourself dreaming of changing people's lives through things like coaching or courses or workshops or webinars? But the problem is you find yourself feeling stuck on what it actually looks like or how you even get started. Or maybe you're unsure about your passion, or you're constantly questioning if this is the one. Like, have I found it yet? Is this really the one? Like, I thought that last week it was the one, 2 months ago I was certain it was the one. Or maybe you have too many passions, and you just don't know how to pick one. Like, how do I get the one that's right? How do I choose between all these different passions? Or maybe you just doubt yourself, and you doubt if people will, pay you what you're actually worth, mind you. Now, one thing I know for sure from working with thousands of people in over 21 countries around the world is this: starting a successful, passion-fueled business, one that grows your income and grows your impact, is never the result of just creating a vision board or crossing your fingers and hoping for it. That's not how this works. You need to know the right steps, and there are actually 3 crucial ingredients that you must have if you have any chance of succeeding. So number one, you've got to have the right package. You need to identify your ideal client and then show them the path that starts at their current problem, right? And then finishes with their future goal. And it's really important that you do not charge an hourly rate, okay? Everybody's out there charging it. Do not do this. What you want to be doing is creating a package that implements the path towards their goals, including things like the right price, the correct name of the package, the correct inclusions, like do you include like a guided meditation or not, and so on. Number 2, you need the right conversation. So if you want people to be interested in your services, then you must learn how to get people's attention and hold it, right? Then you need to learn how to inspire people to buy once you have their attention. And that all comes from being able to have the right conversation in your strategy sessions, your discovery calls, your, whatever you call the conversation, you've got to have the right conversation. Number 3 is the right presentation. So if you want to grow your business and share your message with the world, then it's important you realize that you are just one presentation away from everything you want in your life. You have the option to grow your business from one-on-one sessions, and then now you're able to scale it because you can now do one-to-many workshops because you've got the right presentation. So that ability to utilize and deliver the right presentation opens up group coaching, opens up online courses, opens up retreats as a delivery method for your services, but also a way to be able to attract clients in groups. So how can I be so confident about everything that I'm saying? And how can I be so confident that these are the 3 steps that will work for you too? Well, in case we haven't met before, my name is Benjamin J. Harvey. Nice to meet you. And I'm actually the co-founder of Authentic Education, which we founded back in 2009. And since that time, we have refined our secret sauce, our secret formula, whatever you want to call it, with countless business owners, including myself. And we've also had the privilege of working with people like Dr. John Demartini from the hit movie The Secret, and John Asraf, also from the movie The Secret. And due to the successes of our clients, our message has been featured in numerous media publications. In fact, the Huffington Post called us Australia's leading training company, helping people do what they love. So suffice it to say, we know how to help you change lives and get paid doing it. So I just want to tell you this, the entire 3 steps, right, that I've explained, these crucial ingredients, this system obviously takes more time to explain in detail than the few minutes that we had together. And that's actually why I've created a very special free event called Prosper From Your Passion, Sharing Your Knowledge Online. And not only will you learn exactly how you should package your services and how to do it correctly and how to have the right conversation with potential clients, there are also some additional critical things that we need to discuss about your specific business, such as how to build the self-belief and the self-confidence around charging what you're worth, and how to actually communicate that with certainty. We need to discuss the different pricing structures and which one's going to work best for you. We need to discuss and have a conversation, share with you the best way to market your services, like how to best use technology like Zoom or webinars, and which platforms are going to be best for you to grow your business. And what that really means for you is you'll actually be able to get out there and make a difference and a living doing what you love with a whole bunch of ease, because you're going to be able to follow a proven system. So to learn more or to book a free ticket to the event, all you've got to do is click the link in this post or go to www.authentic.com.au/prosper. And I just want to talk to you for a second about the elephant in the room, right? Which is, why is this event free? Benefits so full of value, why is it free? I want to tell you something that most people don't address in this industry. They just try to avoid it. They don't want to let you know, right? I tell you, it is free because we use a marketing method called freemium. That's why. So just like Zoom and Spotify and Gmail are free, we deliver great value for free, and a small percentage of people want more, and they decide to buy the premium version, which makes it a win-win for everyone. And so just like Google and Gmail and Spotify do this, we do the exact same thing. So if you want to stop dreaming of changing people's lives and actually get out there and start doing it, then just click the link in this post and I'll see you at the event.